Want to do your Bitmart taxes fast? Simply import your transactions securely into Koinly and let Koinly calculate your staking, your capital gains and losses, and more, accurately and easily. Before we jump in, the information in this video is for educational purposes only and is not tax, financial, or legal advice. Also, the examples I mentioned might not exactly match your situation. So as always, speak to a qualified professional if you're looking for tax advice. Hello, my name is Nelly, and in this updated video, I'm going to show you how to do your Bitmart taxes. Bitmart was founded in 2017 and it's based out of New York. It's a platform loaded with features from NFTs to futures to earn programs. But if you're making sweet gains with Bitmart, you gotta pay taxes. So Koinly is your crypto tax calculator that can help you do your Bitmart taxes fast. Now, in order for Koinly to calculate your tax liability, you simply need to import all your transactions into Koinly, which is super easy. Okay, so first step, as always, log into your Koinly account. If you don't have one, don't worry, you can sign up and follow along until the very end. Head over to the wallets area and click on add wallet. Then we're going to type in Bitmart, and there it is. As you can see, we have two different options. We have the setup autosync and the import from file. The setup autosync is the one that's recommended, so I'll start with that one. Now, there's two notes here that you should really be aware of. This API can only provide the 200 most recent trades. If you have more trades than this, then you will need to use CSV files instead. So if you're a high volume trader, the API probably won't be the method for you. Rebates are only provided for the last 6 months. Older rebates need to be imported using CSV files. Okay, with that out of the way, let's find our API key, API secret, and API memo. We are going to head into Bitmart, and in the top right corner, there is a icon, looks like a person kind of, and then from there is a drop-down menu that says API management. From here, we're going to create a new API, so memo, we'll call it Koinly. Read only is already the one that's selected. The other ones should not be checked. Binding IP address, optional, so don't have to worry about that. And then let's click submit. Okay, so there we have our API key, copy and paste it there. We have our secret, feel free to copy and paste that there. And then the memo was Koinly, and then click secure import. Okay, so that's one route you can take. The other one is the CSV route. So let's click on Bitmart and let's click on import from file. Now, unfortunately, Bitmart doesn't have a specific location where you can just download the CSV file, so you will need to fill out a request form, and there is a link here included. I will also leave it obviously in the description. Please note, it may take up to 15 days for you to receive your CSV file from Bitmart, so don't leave it until kind of towards the end of the tax deadline. Once you get that file, make sure you have your entire transaction history, then simply drag and drop it in Koinly, click import, and there you have it. And once your transactions have been imported, regardless of which method you use, head over to the transactions tab and just double check, make sure everything is sitting correctly with you. If you have any types of staking transactions, just make sure those are tagged correctly, send to pool and send from pool. Okay, if you've traded on other exchanges and wallets, which you probably have, you're gonna wanna repeat this simple process and connect them all. And luckily, Koinly integrates with over 800 platforms. And if you ever need a hand, we upload new integration videos weekly. So now with all your transactions imported into Koinly, we are able to view all your crypto transactions to accurately calculate your capital gains, losses, and income from crypto. This also includes DeFis, airdrops, staking, etc. If you have done any staking or liquidity providing, then you may need to tag those transactions manually. And like I mentioned earlier, I will leave a link to our staking and liquidity videos down below and in the top right corner of this video. Okay, now you can head over to the Koinly reports page and you can see how your year stacks up with a free summary showing your crypto totals for the year. The summary is awesome, but to officially file your taxes, you're gonna need a lot more detail. So now for the best part. Koinly produces a stack of cryptocurrency tax reports that cover your year's activity in great detail. This includes calculations and totals that line up with how the taxman wants it. We support over 1 million investors around the world with reports like the IRS Schedule D and Form 8949, plus a report for TurboTax, Tax Act, the UK, Australia, Canada, France, and a complete tax report for just about everyone else. Simply buy a plan from Koinly and download your report. You can file your taxes yourself, or if you work with an accountant, you can share it. Or you can even invite them to your account to Koinly. Lastly, check your country's rules and regulations because this report might be deductible. I will leave a bunch of resources down below if you need further assistance with our product. If you found this video helpful, consider dropping a like, subscribing for more crypto content. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below or on our forum section where our users and Koinly support team are ready to jump in.